welcome back to the channel. What a day. As you can see, it's getting dark, but what a great job by Hofit and Alvaro organizing the Creator Content House. It's the Wellness Weekend. There's so many health vendors, so many beautiful people, so many health-oriented businesses. Come along and take a look and see what's happening here in Miami. Ariana, what is the setup with LPG? Can you tell us a little bit about it?
LPG is endermology, which is essentially like body contouring, anti-aging, anti-cellulite treatments. We do everything from medical aesthetics to even medical treatments as well. And we're kind of stepping into the wellness space now. We have a specific protocol that specializes in anxiety and sleep schedules. Miami is so interesting because it's kind of had a really big come up the last 5 to 10 years, and its main focus has really been the wellness, health, and lifestyle, but like the fun aspect of it as well. So you're mixing health and wellness, but you're having a great time living in a great city.
Edward, what kind of machine is this? I haven't never seen a cold plunge which was without the water.
So this is a dry cold plunge.
Dry cold plunge.
Dry cold plunge. So when you get in this thing, you can get in with your clothes on, you can get in with your clothes off. But the beautiful thing about this is it's kind of that middle ground between a cardio and traditional cold plunge.
Peach LED, look at the setup. How many inches is this screen? It's gotta be at least like 200 inches.
Whatever you want, if it's residential, if it's commercial, if it's indoor, it's outdoor, we can customize it based on your needs. So obviously here you have right behind us, that's the interior screen. Our outdoor is waterproof. So we have a lot of customers that buy the outdoor one for right in front of the pool. So you could just relax, you're floating.
Hey guys, I'm here with Donald from Anti-Aging Bed. I just tried this out. I feel great after coming out of this bed. What are some of the benefits that I will get after getting this procedure?
This is the foundation of what we call our holographic scan med bed. We put you in here first because we're preparing the body for the hyperbaric oxygen chamber, where we're going to send oxygen and frequencies. But what this is doing, this is heating the body up through infrared therapy. There's 9 different modalities. You can see every one of these coins is doing something different. The goal, and then we can stack it too. So we can give you fresh oxygen on top of it when you're laying there. So it's compared 15 minutes as compared to a 1-hour workout. If you want to lose weight and do a deep lymphatic flushing, you want to be doing this 3 to 4 times a week.
It's always good to bump into you.
What's going on, brother?
Good to see you, the Content Wellness House.
Yes.
Congrats on the launch of your new magazine,
Yes.
The Rich Reporter. Tell me a little bit about it.
The Rich Reporter, so full luxury magazine. We feature lifestyle content, real estate content, business, entrepreneurs, everything upscale luxury. And we are here at the Wellness Retreat. And the first people to be showcased on the cover is Alvaro and Hofit. This is the cover. And next month we got somebody really special on the cover, so stay tuned for that. We're looking to do big things with this. We're gonna have events. We're gonna do a major launch event for the Rich Reporter as well. So I want you guys to check it out.